So 33 degrees, something like the president. White House to a resident, selling medicine with more money than the settlement. I ain't settling, you just getting settled in. 1K in my vessel, that's embezzlement. I go dummy relevant, ketamine, amphetamine, smash her on the bike. That's pussy peddling, hanging with rock stars, heavy meddling like Led Zeppelin. I beat it till she's tranquil. I ran in the fupa until I broke my ankle. She has that fat fupa, that's cankle, but that's my old bitch, that's wrinkles. Eat it like a tiger, call me a Bengal. Eat it like a tiger, call me a Bengal. Beat it up at a 90-degree angle. Get into my money like a triangle. Let the bitch be square, rectangle. Got the main bitch, call her Topanga. Beat it up like the Lone Ranger. I am the shizzle, pull my finger. Pretzel, pussy, she mangled. Beat it till she is a paraplegic. And then I had to buy her a posturpedic. She said her limit was exceeded. I said game over, pussy defeated. Got to the money like a digit. Took a hit of acid, now I'm higher than the pigeon. She played with the dick, she liked the fidget. And then I ran a train with 7 midgets, all of which had different pigments. Took another hit without even thinking. Then I was chilling on the beach with some penguins. Gave it to her long time, that's everlasting. And after we got finished, said flabbergasting. She said that was the best. I said exactly, then ate her fur burger, aka Krabby Patty. She sucked on the duck, something like Daffy. Took another hit of acid, now I'm feeling shaggy. Smoked on the wacky tobacco until my voice got raspy. Hopped in Family Guy just to beat up Maggie. Saw a piglet reading a pamphlet, and then I got trampled on by a tramplet. All while I was eating salmon, running around town, fighting a phantom. Got your bitch naked on my cannon. She plays Nurse Betty, I let her examine. And they'll be famished. That was my mom, by the way. Much love, man. She cool as hell, right? Crazy as hell. But I love you.